Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Canva, so sign in and open the design you'll edit. Once loaded, set your canvas size and background so images snap to the right scale. This prevents unexpected cropping later. Now go to the Uploads tab or simply drag and drop your photo files into the editor. Doing this upfront saves time because Canva caches uploads and keeps them accessible across pages. Make sure thumbnails fully appear before proceeding so you won't roupload mid-layout. Once your image is visible in Uploads, drag it directly onto the canvas or drop it into a frame to auto-fit. Frames are faster for consistent shapes. You can resize by dragging corners and hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio if you want no distortion. Use the crop tool to refine composition, flip for mirrored layouts, and the position menu to center or layer. After adjustments, lock the layer to avoid accidental moves while you add text or elements. This keeps your layout stable. You're almost done. Refine color, apply subtle filters, and make exposure tweaks so the image reads well on screen. Once satisfied, click Share, then Download, pick PNG, JPG, or PDF, and select resolution or transparent background if required. If your upload or export fails, make sure the file type is supported and under Canva's size limits. Try rouploading from a different browser or clear cache and retry. If elements shift, use Undo or restore a prior version from file history to recover work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.